Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners along Bob Chino. So Bitcoin, hope everybody spotted this little mini divergence. So it made a slightly higher high, barely eking out a higher high. Those are the most powerful divergences, much lower low RSI. And then we had the sell-off. So going to update the key levels because the retracement levels and the projection levels are now based off this new divergence higher high, dropping below the rotation zone. Rotation zone was getting weaker, especially with this divergence. We start watching for the bigger pullback. Key support coming in now in about 9,700. 97.18, we're just going to be watching 9,700 with the rising 50 slightly below where we are. Key resistance right now 98.89, so essentially 9,900. If we get above there, again, you have a little resistance shelf right around 10,100. Then we'd be watching for 10,185, so essentially 10,200. Then a return to 10,380 to 10,430. So those are all the key levels. Briefly dropping over sold condition on the 4-hour chart. The daily, let's check in with that, the more important chart, and you see here straight back to the rotation zone. Now remember, the daily is always more important than the 4-hour, and the weekly is always more important than the daily. So the levels, as you get the higher time frames, are stronger, coming right down here to the rotation zone on the daily basis, holding above it. So as long as we don't get a close below about 97.18, we'll be watching for the rotation up. If we do get the close below 97.18, then we'll be watching for the bigger pullback. We have this prior resistance becoming support and a prior GAN level and the rising rotation zone right about 9,400 right now. A lot of volume coming in on this down bar. Still in overbought condition. So again, it would not be out of the question to see a bigger pullback, at least to retest this little prior resistance area and let it become support before resuming an uptrend. Ethereum. So Ethereum, also we talked about the divergence in Ethereum yesterday in the video. And you see here we got the bigger pullback right just below the rotation zone, but right to 12.5%, which is a shallow pullback in our research. That's what a deep pullback is, but still in bullish mode would be to 25% level. A shallow pullback is to 12.5% level. Now rotating back up. Key resistance now still, there's going to be some minor resistance, probably about 227. Then we'd be watching for 230.59, 240, and 249.50. Let's take a look at that daily chart. Daily chart, just above the rising rotation zone. So if we did drop below 216, we'd really be keying in about 213.50 as the next level of support. And then below that, we'd be watching 202. Lower volume on this turnaround, but still in very overbought condition. At some point, this will burn off its overbought condition either by moving sideways and letting the rotation zone continue to catch up, or by doing the bigger pullback. We don't know unless we get a close really into the daily rotation zone. Then we'll start watching for the bigger pullback at this point. But both markets are still longer term in full bullish mode for us. And that's what we have for you. And again, this is not trading advice. This is educational purposes only and helping you learn how to analyze charts the way we do here at Path Trading Partners. Hope this is helping everybody, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.